So the UR cap allows communication between a universal robotics robot and a OASIS optical inspection machine. So what it does is the robot sends a request for measurements, the OASIS inspection machine measures it, and then it sends a response, either pass or fail. Then the robot takes it and then handles either a pass or a fail. In our case, we use a pass bin and a fail bin for faulty parts or for working parts. So normally this process is a quite monotonous process. One person has to stand in front of the OASIS inspection system and measure every part and react to that, whether pass or fail, and put that in the pass bin and put that in the fail bin. This is not practical for a long term. This can cause fatigue over a long time, and eventually maybe they might start messing up. A robot, on the other hand, can do this for 24 hours a day and will never mess up and will free the person to do more meaningful work. So the development for the UR cap was interesting, as this was my first UR cap. So I had a lot of support from the forums, the UR support forums. Got a lot of support from my coworkers who have been doing this before me, as well as from the UR support staff who were available for questions and any problems that I was having. And I'm just very excited that it got to work.